back today with mini prep. I have 2 samples for us to prep today. They've already been centrifuged, but if your samples have not been centrifuged, they probably need to be centrifuged greater than 4,500 RPM, 5-10 minutes, 10 minutes probably. So some other things we're going to need for mini prep besides our samples are some tubes. I have 3 sets of tubes. One to do the reaction, one for collecting our plasmid, and then or filtering it, and then one for collecting it. I also have a mini kit. We're using the mini kit from Qiagen, just the QuiaPrep Spin kit. And if yours is already open, your first reagent P1 might be in the fridge at 4 degrees Celsius. So let's isolate some plasmid. We're gonna need some 1 ml pipette tips, a 1 ml pipette or 2. And our first step is gonna be 250 microliters of P1. There's an alternate step to wash with PBS if you want, if you think that there's too much LB broth, or if you have a low copy plasmid. You might want to wash your pellet with PBS, spin it down again. After that step, we can resuspend our pellet in 250 microliters of P1. This is our resuspension buffer, and it has RNase A added in. I know some labs will use other inhibitors additionally, depending on your bacteria strain. Because we don't want to break our plasmid, we just want to break open the bacteria. So I'm vigorously pipette mixing. We want to make sure that our pellet is like homogeneous. And I'm transferring from my culture tube to my microcentrifuge tube. Is stuck. And repeat for however many samples. So these mini preps are from colonies that I picked after a heat shock transformation. So I am mini prepping this to isolate the plasmid, and I will be running a gel, an agarose gel, to confirm the size of my plasmid. And then if I see that the size is about what I think it's going to be, I will send it off for sequencing. That's one use for mini prep. But really the ultimate goal for mini prep or maxi prep is just to isolate your plasmid DNA. Generally we use mini prep to confirm before we do a maxi prep. We want to make sure that we have the right plasmid if you're doing any cutting or ligating of plasmids.